watching Let's Chat.
A nationwide epidemic is that of opioid addiction, and helping us fight that right here in our own hometown are the wonderful people from Hamilton County Health Department. Good morning, Tom, and then joining us is Leslie as well.
Thanks for having us on.
Thank you.
Yeah, the Regional Health Council of Hamilton County, and specifically their Addictions and Dependency Committee, is working hard to combat the opioid epidemic in our area. And just to give you an idea about how bad this is, in Tennessee, in 2017, there were 1,776 overdose deaths.
Wow.
In the United States, in the same year of 2017, about 70,000 deaths in 1 year. And that's more than all of the deaths in the Vietnam War in 10 years.
Wow.
So we have about 85 overdose deaths in Hamilton County a year. That year in 2017, that's a little more than one a week.
And I think a lot of people maybe think that this is only an issue in larger cities, but just as you mentioned with the numbers, that's not the case. And so, you know, Leslie, you're a big part in helping our community with a new resource for our residents. Tell me about that.
So New Start is a Bureau of Justice Assistance funded program through the Tennessee Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services. The purpose of our program is to help people with opioid dependencies overcome their addiction and enter into recovery. This program is for people with or without insurance. No matter what their financial situation is, we can connect individuals to treatment such as inpatient, outpatient, medication-assisted treatment, counseling, sober living. We help with transportation, mental health services, really just anything that they need to get on that road to recovery.
So you can really help with every stage of
Yes.
the process. Are there any certain requirements for someone to be eligible to participate?
Yes, for our program, you have to be a Hamilton County resident,
Okay.
and it has to be focused on opioid dependency.
And now, is this focusing just on maybe the addict themselves, or is there resources for the family to help support them through the process too?
Our program is able to help families as well. I think a
Perfect.
lot of times, people don't realize the families suffer along with the person with these drug addictions and dependencies. So with our program, we're able to connect family and children of these individuals to counseling like trauma and grief counseling. We can help children get into after programs like at the YMCA or summer camps, things like that, just whatever we can to do to help the families, stay together and stay strong for that person who's in recovery.
I think it's so important to focus on both parties, in a process like recovery. So real quickly, how do we need to get started with you? And do you have a memory of someone that has been through the program, that, of course, anonymously?
Right. To become a client with us, all you have to do is reach out to us and call us, and there'll be numbers on the screen, I believe, or contact the Hamilton County Coalition and reach us that way. As long as you're a resident of Hamilton County and you have an opioid dependency, that's really all that it takes. As far as success stories, we have currently around 67 active clients in our program, which has just started, earlier in this year. Those clients consist of people that are in treatment right now or have completed treatment and now they're in aftercare or they're in, NA or recovery housing or sober living. So we keep our clients for the duration of a whole year. So we don't just send them to treatment and then we're done. We follow along with them and we say, okay, you're done with this.
Follow
now
the whole
what's next?
process.
Yeah. So and that's all success stories to us.
Thank you for offering this to